check out what he's doing. I think it's good.
Hello! It hit me as hard as it hit the rest of you, but I've been told by authorities that I've been laughing too much!
What are you talking about?
Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Story Time with Daddy Caddy.
What? No. We're not starting that.
Hush now, shh.
No!
Shut up! Later. What's this saying to the audience at home? Oh, don't worry, kids. Next time you're on a train, you might not even be on the rail!
We are doomed.
Doomed? What do you mean doomed?
I don't know what is wrong, Anne.
Why won't he understand?
I don't know after all. After all, Eddie's trying to lose his focus. I need to... Wait a minute. It ain't Christmas.
Because the cooking club is the first way to win the hearts of all your friends. And they are your friends, no matter how much they scream they're not.
What are you talking about?
Why would you do that?
Well, there you have it. Laughter is contagious, as if we didn't know already by this fucking series. Oh man, the world's #1 source for funnies and laughs.
Is this a new song I hear?
Shut up!
What the bloody shit am